Keeps dust, pollen, pet dander, and other airborne pollutants off your fresh, clean bed. Unzip to slip it over your folded bed. Zip. It's that easy. Intended for twin-size folding beds 38. Actual cover measures approximately 40 inches L by 13 inches W by 41 inches H with some room to give. Please measure your folding bed before purchasing. Also available for 31-inch beds. Top reviews from the United States. Good quality folding bed. Exactly as advertised. Bed a decent size for adult, comfortable. I bought it for a relative staying 2 weeks. Cot came on time, well packaged. Wheels easy to put on. Well made, folds up very easily with 2 people. Haven't tried to fold it on my own. Bought coordinating cover, too. Just right. Note. Bought recommended cot sheet set. Will do. Really difficult to find better quality bedding to fit a 5-inch deep mattress. Very happy with the bed and the service.